First news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren launches 7 mine-protected vehicles for Manipur police. No election in state without revision of electoral roll. Maintains Coordination Committee for Crisis Resolution Manipur. And Meetei Tribe Union urges government to send ST recommendation by March 26. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren today launched 7 mine-protected vehicles MPVs for Manipur Police at the first Manipur Rifle Parade ground. DGP 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬 thanks the Chief Minister for the MPVs and for motivating the force. Stating that 3 more MPVs are to arrive, he assured that the vehicles will be used for dominating areas and keeping the people of Manipur safe and secure. The launching of the vehicles was also attended by Ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Security Advisor 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬, Senior Administrative and Police Officers among others.
So I am very thankful to the Chief Minister that he has given lot of motivation with this, and we from the police we are assuring him that we'll all be using these for dominating the areas and keeping the people of Manipur safe and secure.
Coordination Committee for Crisis Resolution Manipur has asserted that the implementation of NRC and abrogations of FMR will not resolve the state crisis. The committee further underlined the need to revise electoral roll before the upcoming Legislative Assembly election. Addressing media persons at a press meet at Irawat Bhawan on BT Road today, convener of the committee O. Sumati continued that despite Chief Minister N. Biren's claim that normalcy and peace has been restored in the state, guns and bombs attacks in the peripheral area of the valley districts of Manipur still continue. Asking how the conduct of free and fair elections will be possible amidst this ongoing turmoil, Sumati said the crisis-affected people of the state are against election, but instead they long for peace to be restored in the state at the earliest. The central leaders had also claimed the involvement of foreign aggression in the current crisis. However, they have remained as mute spectators for more than 10 months. She further urged the Chief Minister to not send false report to Election Commission of India to enable the conduct of the election. Pointing that many illegal cookies are still settling in some hill areas of Manipur, Sumati contended that the Chief Minister himself has not been able to visit these places since the violence broke out. However, he continues to boast and show off and intimidate the people in this small valley area. Lamenting that mortal remains of 250 people still remain untraceable, she termed it extremely unfortunate that preparation and arrangements have already begun for the Legislative Assembly election. She also informed that the committee has sent a memorandum urging the Chief Election Commissioner of ECI to postpone the election in view of the burning situation in Manipur.
Direct solution Pari sanare haibaduna di oibe yabanate nongmei kaptharakpa bom kaptharakpagi thabak lepte aduna masina maram oirakanda hauji bharat ki oina 19 suba lok sabha election pangthoklagani haidana laukthorokpa sida aikoi manipur gi oina di pangthok piranu haiba wafam sini ngasi aikoi gi hairiba aikoi gi kaino sina committee asina ECI da aikoi che thajagre online gi khuthangda people ki signature sing campaign chathajari hokiba January adwaidagi hauna aikoi soidanamaki April May saidadi Lok Sabha gi election tawrakani adubu Manipur gi situation se lairiba lan asi loidanadi hairiba lairiba irang se loisandanadi election pangthokpa yaroi.
Meetei Tribe Union MMTU has drawn the attention of the state government to send a recommendation for inclusion of Meetei in the ST list of the Indian Constitution of March 26. Addressing media persons at a press meet held at MMTU office at 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬, convener of MMTU Women Wing, Rupanjali said the government had asked for 1 year's time when different organizations asked to send the recommendation. Stating that March 26 marks one completion of date the organization urged the government to send a recommendation, she expressed confidence that the government will fulfill the demand of the people. Rupanjali warned that the voice of 9 lakh people who were part of the recent missed call campaign will echo, and the government will have to bear the consequences in the upcoming elections.
Right matuna thambasi yaninde haiduna mitaibu ST lista talangadabani haiduna masana yana miscall pirakraba miyoiching adugi hak matpa yaroi haibasigi tap chaba pakhum lakadauriba election singda susoi soidana mami taroi haini leite.
President of 𝐁𝐵𝐬 Student Association 𝐁𝐫𝐲𝐚𝐝 has maintained that intimidation by Patients Party against doctors and nurses who have been working day and night for the welfare of the people has disheartened the medical professionals and have demotivated them to work further. He was speaking to media persons on the sidelines of a sit-in stage at 𝐁𝐵𝐬's MS office today. Dinesh continued that staffs of 𝐁𝐵𝐬 have been working at their best level and extending help in connection with every issue in the state. Besides, they have been providing their best to the patients. However, intimidation against is very unfortunate and highly condemnable, he lamented, adding no one in the medical profession will want any bad happen to their patient.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯇꯕꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔ ꯄꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯪꯖꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯗ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯅꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯩ.
Taking part in the sit-in, Dr. Meetei Tribe of Gynecology Department 𝐁𝐵𝐬 stated that doctors and nurses have been working carefully for safety of their patients. However, blaming the medical fraternity for any unfortunate incident and mishap and intimidating them is utter disappointment. Stating the demise of a woman from 𝐻𝐻 while giving birth on March 2 is extremely unfortunate, she maintained that alleging the medical staff of negligence and blaming them entirely for the death is condemnable.
Asilena natragana kudongtiba anabi yeng matamda tholakpa kudongtiba mayam sing tholakpa matamda yingbiriba seba tawjariba doctor amadi nurses singda maral thakjinbiduna akiba piba namduna paisa lawthokpa anaba yengbada ay bibiba asingmo mayam sing sitokpiyo haijabani ikui dabida 𝐻𝐻 biron binu pima lakide asingmo thogok mayam asi tholakpa matamda seba tawjariba doctor amadi nurses mayam punamak thamoi sokna kusinumai taw khujaribani nuai tribasing asigi mathaksida family ki representative sing ni haida lakpiramba mioi singna siriba asi doctor amadi nurses sing cheksanabdagi thamoidabdagi topani haibagi maral hungzinbirame aduga postmortem tawduna kani maram gi thoklibano hai bagtijan si haibagi mahutta laibak thibadi paisa piu haina matikna birami haikhiba paisa mamandagi siki amada taroi haibirami ningsing mayai khangmina basu yai India da maternal mortality rate हाइबदी नुपी ओइबी अमना मिरोन मतमदा हिनाबा सीबगी चांग सी नुपी लाख मंगा लाख अमदा नुपी चनी यांकैदी सोयदन मकी सीगनी हाइबसी पानरिबने.
On the other hand, the doctors and nurses of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 have announced to close OPD and Operation Theatre and launch cease work strike on March 7 and 8 against the threat against them by Patients Party and the attempt to tarnish their image. Deputy Director of Directorate of Agriculture Department 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞 Chittaranjan has underscored the need to conduct soil testing for effective use of fertilizer to boost productivity. He was speaking at the inaugural events of Interfaith meeting of KVKs in Manipur with State Agriculture and Allied Departments Manipur Health at Farmers Training Hall located at 𝐁𝐫𝐴𝐬 today. Joint Secretary of Agriculture Department 𝐁𝐫𝐰𝐬, Principal Scientist of ICAR-IMPHAL Dr. 𝐿.𝐿.𝐀𝐫𝐿, Additional Director Agricultural Department 𝐶𝐻𝐵𝐿 𝐵𝐿, Director of Fisheries Department 𝐻𝐵𝐿, and Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry 𝐁𝐫𝐻𝐸 were among the dignitaries present at the event. Speaking further, A.K. Chittaranjan said it is vital to conduct soil testing and adopt suitable technology as per the climatic condition of the place to enhance agricultural yields. He said that the interfaith meeting was primarily organized to find out which technology is to be adopted in which places to benefit the modern farmers. He further said that the government is giving all-out efforts to develop natural farming and revive ancient grains including millets. However, the farmers now want to give up agriculture as they continue following traditional method of farming of the forefathers. As such, Chittaranjan stressed the need to raise awareness among the farmers on state-of-art technology to bridge the gap between past and present era of technology to enhance their yields and also boost their income.
Agriculture Department Manipur KBK Mapan Amadi Agriculture and Allied Sectors Ibati Agriculture Department, Horticulture Department, Fishery Department, Amadi Veterinary Department Scientists Mayamaga Wenana Pangdok Seripa Interfaith Meeting Ase Nungi Oipa Pandam Haitare Nungi Oipa Pandam Ni KBK Singasi Manipur Ayama 2004-5-6 Aladi Hori Ujibokta KBK si Mapansi Ran Tame Makogi annual calendar the Makogi maintain activity high time costs. This is Makogi online demonstration high on lay Aduga all Makogi OFT Adigi on farm Makogi research ki Makogi facility lay. Masday sa Makoina Tawisi Karinoida Magi district lay niba Makogi technology gap to Madu identify to Matunda Sahi gi Makogi annual action plan to the Hapaga technology gap to fill up Taruga Madugi technology to see Yare Haido Madugi technology to Puto Matunda Makoina KBK na Putopa technology to agriculture and allied sectors in the with the PB Karaba farmers in the transport of the.
Let us take a quick break.
Diabetes community hinibasing thamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangusu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Kong hamba nungaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangusu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Fatty liver oibasu thamagi manungda fagan han bangamle. Punamak natural oiba hidak makalna lain Germany. Hakjang sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata hidak chamagi mathosu taroi. Hena kumaparo gidamak nasimak Langson Biro Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome you all to Unapa School Channel, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic season for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Welcome back. 𝐻𝐸𝐯𝐬 Parijat Memorial Trust and Lamlai Local Council CPI jointly observed the 9th death anniversary of communist leader 𝐻𝐸𝐯𝐬 Parijat at Irawat Memorial Hall, located at Lamlai today. Chairman of CPI Control Commission 𝐿 member of National Control Commission CPI Dr. M. Nara, former Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council 𝐿 were men gazed at the observance. Speaking on the occasion, 𝐿 highlighted the contributions of the led leaders who worked tirelessly under the leadership of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot for a united Manipur. 𝐻𝐸𝐯𝐬 Parijat was not just a leader of CPI but also a person who gave all-out effort to usher in changes and development in the history of Manipur. He was also the leaders who worked for Manipur to attain statehood, for inclusion of Manipur language in the 8th schedule and the withdrawal of the Assam Rifles from Kangla, among others. Sotin Kumar recalled eulogizing the led leader.
𝐻𝐸𝐯𝐬 Parijat ki leigudaba makan suba chahi gi ningsing thoram mal likhathiramba Irabot Pagas pangthokli Manipur gi awari gi lurba takayada Manipur gi apun gi sakam kanana purabada ongalena senathiba Comrade Irabot ki lamdin makhada lamlai maike si paidi gi asobari adumai thogi singamaga chamapan nipualipani September gi tarik 3 da sakam kanana bagi sanction kiba khungana maduda lamlai maike gi prajamiyan maide chawan muda kaya amalo apun sakam kanki.
Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Hareshwar Goswami has maintained that the government of India fails to initiate steps to resolve the crisis in Manipur as they have little knowledge about the people of the state. He said this during a distribution program of his book and a meeting held at a relief camp at Lamlai organized by Lamlai Block Congress Committee yesterday. Hareshwar continued that the people have long forgotten that the roots and culture of the East while trying to emulate the Western culture. This can be learned while reading different books, he said. He further pointed out that the root cause behind the present crisis in Manipur is the failure to include the history of Manipur in India's history, but rather the history of the state is part of the Southeast Asian countries. As such, India fails to understand the history of Manipur. Furthermore, they fails to take the crisis in the state seriously, Hareshwar Goswami said.
Phongna taida karada vote lemninaga bole padi yadava vote kinena haibadi yadadana tokshinnaga koye chalaga tv da wa khang ngang haina akoi haijallaga napada haibiramamnena thabak tem dek tokdaba nupa ang leidi maming panjanindre thabak tem dek tokdaba tv da no thop amada thop aina adu hairamamnena mana hairamba mayamse akoi uji lengjallieba adu unaramamne adu haibiramamne adu toramamne mana hairamba mayamsida karma thabak oigrage dudi akoi khangde aduna napada haibiramamne dugi the politics towa politics na tabdi sawa adugumba kangbu umju koije tatli.
Embracing the announcement by the Assam Cabinet declaring Manipuri as an associate official language, the Kamarborn Rising Youth Committee extended a warm welcome to MYFA, expressing their heartfelt joy towards this significant step. During the event, Hizam Arun presided as president, with Seram Herajit as the chief guest. MYFA President Thangzam Brozen, MYFA Secretary General Tampakmayum Salo Udin, AGS Wahingbam Surendra, Sarangthem Rupchan, Sarangthem Dhananjay, and Sarangthem Chandra Kumar added grandeur to the occasion as they occupied seats on the dais. Members of committee honored the members of MYFA with a shawl. Speaking at the event, Sarangthem Hemanta praised the valor of the members of MYFA and Seram Herajit. He said that the recognition of the associate official language is due to the dedicated efforts of Manipuri residents of Assam and across various regions. A joint team of Assam Rifles and Police recovered methamphetamine tablets worth over 2 crore 25 lakh rupees yesterday. The PRO Assam Rifles said the operation was carried out by a combined team of Assam Rifles and Nalan Police Beat Post Mizoram based on specific information. The recovered consignment and apprehended individuals were handed over to Nalan Beat Post Nalan for further legal proceedings, it said. On the other hand, Assam Rifles and Mizoram Police recovered heroin number 4, weighing 936 grams, estimated worth rupees 6.55 crore, and apprehended an individual in the general area of 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 district in 2 separate operations. The entire consignment of heroin number 4 worth 6 crore 55 lakh 20,000 rupees and the apprehended individual have been handed over to the police department in 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 for further legal proceedings, the PRO said. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren launches 7 mine-protected vehicles for Manipur police. No election in state without revision of electoral roll, maintains Coordination Committee for Crisis Resolution Manipur. And Meetei Tribe Union urges government to send ST recommendation by March 26. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.